Welcome, come in, we give a little tour. My name is Meyer, owner and host of the Ardendales in beautiful downtown Brooksville. Yeah, I'm from Switzerland, raised and born in Switzerland in Basel City, in the north, in the corner of Germany and France. After the school, with 15, I learned auto mechanic for 4 years. Worked for 1 year as an auto mechanic, go to the army for 1 year. And after the army, I go to the police school, because you need a profession. If you go to the police school, you need a profession before. The earliest time with the police school is 21. And then I go to police school. I stay 33 years with different part in the departments. I was captain on a police boat in the River Rhine. I was in the SWAT team, border police a short time, different stations in my career. And then I won the green card after 8 years, quit my job, come over to the States, here in this beautiful town, find the bread and breakfast, and I'm happy here. The house is 5,000 square feet. The area in the backyard is 35,000 square feet. I have 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a garden suite with a separate entrance, separate living room with TV, big living room. I have 12 beds and 2 additional beds in the sofa corner. Space for 14 people. A nice place to be, to keep the family together. It's cheaper than a motel. If you rent the whole house, you have your privacy. I don't walk in. The bed and breakfast is with a continental breakfast and rent single rooms. The people are happy here. They like the history and the old stuff. Ardendales, the guest house and bed and breakfast, is located in beautiful historic Brooksville downtown. More information you have on the website ardendales.com or Instagram ardendales.airbnb. You can visit the website. You have more information about the house and me. You can booking through the website, and I'm happy you visiting me.